Hello friends, today in this video we are going to study the chapter 6. The name of the chapter is triangle. So friends, here I am just going to remind you about congruent triangles and we shall learn more about similar triangles. So friends, let's start. See, first, congruent figures. Two figures are congruent if they are the same size and shape. Their corresponding angles and sides are equal. So, friends, two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same size and same shape. Okay, if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles and sides are equal. And in another words, you may say, if the corresponding angles and sides of two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay friends, so here two triangles are given. One is ABC triangle, another one is RQP, and both are congruent. Why they are congruent? Because here you see the corresponding parts. Here A angle corresponds to R, B angle corresponds to Q, and C angle corresponds to P. Okay, and they are equal. The corresponding angles are equal. Now you see the corresponding sides. AC correspond to PQ, AV corresponds to RQ, and BC correspond to PQ, and the corresponding sides are also equal. So two triangles are congruent. Here you see triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RQP, and the symbol of congruency is this. Okay, so here you see the corresponding angles are equal, the corresponding sides are equal. Okay, next, test for congruent triangles. There are 4 criteria to check to know whether two triangles are congruent or not. So first one is SSS, side, side, side. If the corresponding sides are equal, then we can say two triangles are what? Congruent. Okay. So here the corresponding side, this side correspond to this, they are equal. This side correspond to this, they are equal. This side correspond to this, they are equal. So the corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, so we can say they are congruent. Now come to SAS, side angle side. In the two triangle, you observe that this side correspond to this side and they are equal, and this side correspond to this side, they are also equal. And now you see the included angles. Okay, the angle between two sides also equal, and if the two sides and the included angles are respectively equal, then we can say what? Two triangles are congruent. Now you come to A is A, angle, side, angle. So here you see two corresponding angles are equal. This angle is correspond to this and this angle correspond to this, and they are equal, and included side are also equal. So here two angles and the included sides are respectively equal. So the two triangles are congruent. Okay, that is your A is a congruency rule. Here you see RHS. In two right angle triangle, if corresponding hypotenuse and corresponding sides are equal, then we can say two right angle triangles are what? Congruent. Here you see this hypotenuse correspond to this hypotenuse and this side correspond to this side, and angle, this is 90 degree, this also 90 degree. So this is called your RHS congruency rule. Okay, then we can say two right angle triangles are congruent. See similar figures from NCERT book. Here you see two circles, this circle, this circle, this circle, this circle. You just see what you are seeing. Here the shapes are same but sizes are different. When in between two figures shapes are same, we say they are similar. Here you see all circles are similar because they have same shapes. Okay, now here you see square. This one is smaller, this one is bigger, but they have same shapes. Okay, but different size. So if two figures have same shape, they are called similar figures. So here all squares are similar. Now here you see equilateral triangle. This triangle is smaller, this one is bigger, but you observe that you will get that two figures have same shape but of different size. So as they have same shapes, so we can say all equilateral triangles are similar. Understood? Here you see a cardboard. This is cardboard, and you see the shadow of cardboard. They are what? Similar, because the shape of cardboard and shadow of cardboard are of same shapes. Okay, so they are similar. Now here you see two polygons of the same numbers of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratios. The corresponding sides are in same ratios, or the corresponding sides are proportional. If these two conditions satisfied, then we can say two polygons are similar. So here you see the quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQR. In the two quadrilaterals, you observe the corresponding angles are equal or not. Okay, if they are equal, we go for second condition, that is their corresponding sides are in same ratios. So friends, here you see A angle corresponds to angle P, angle B corresponds to angle Q and they are equal. Angle C corresponds to angle R, angle D corresponds to angle S and they are equal. So the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, now we see the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal or not. Here you see AB, here PQ corresponds, so you find AB by PQ. AB is here 1.5 centimeter and PQ 3 centimeter. Okay, so 15 by 30. If you cancel, then you get 1 by 2, that is 1:2. Now you find the ratios of BC and QR. So BC by QR is equal to here 2.5 centimeter by 5 centimeter, that is equal to 25 by 50, it is 1 by 2, so ratio is 1:2. Now you find the ratio of CD and RS. CD by RS. Okay, that is equal to CD 2.4. Okay, and SR 4.8, that is equal to 24 by 48, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is 1:2. Now you find the ratio of side AD and PS. So AD by PS, AD is 2.1 and PS 4.2, that is equal to 21 by 42. If you cancel, you get 1 by 2. The ratio is 1:2. So here you see the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. That means their corresponding sides are proportional. So, two quadrilaterals are similar. Okay. Next, figures are not similar. Here you see this figure and this figure. Are they similar? No. Why? The sides of this quadrilateral are not of the same proportion, hence the figures do not have the same shape. As they have no same shape, so they are not similar. Now you observe these two triangles. These triangles have different angle measures and hence form different shapes. Their corresponding angles are not equal and the corresponding sides are not equal. So, the corresponding sides are not proportional. Okay. So, these two figures are not similar. Understood? See, this is pentagon, this is hexagon. Here the number of sides is 5, here number of sides is 6 and they are different. Okay. So, they have different shapes. As they have different shapes, so these two figures are not similar. See, two polygons with the same numbers of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of their corresponding sides are of the same proportion. So, here you see A angle is correspond to P, E angle correspond to T, D angle correspond to S, C angle correspond to R, B angle correspond to Q and they are equal. That means their corresponding angles are equal. Now we see their corresponding sides are proportional or not. Here you see this side 8, here 4. So 8 by 4 is 2. Here you see 8, here 4. So 8 by 2 is again 2. Or you can write 2 by 1, that is equal to 2 is to 1. So ratio of AE and PT is equal to 2 is to 1. Here you see ratio of DE by ST. You get 7 by 3.5, that is equal to 2 by 1, 2 is to 1. Here 6, here 3. So 6 by 3 is 2 by 1, that is equal to 2 is to 1. Here 7 by 3.5, again you get 2 is to 1. So their corresponding sides are proportional. So you can say two polygons are similar. So is similar to, the symbol is this. Okay. So the pentagon ABCDE is similar to the pentagon PQRST. Next, Similar figures. Between two similar figures, shape must be same. So, same shape, but not the same size. That means if they have same shape, they are similar here, but not necessarily their size are equal. Okay, so their size may be different, but shape must be same. Okay, then corresponding angles are equal. So here this corresponds to this angle corresponds to angle this angle corresponds to this, and they are equal, and their corresponding sides are proportional. Here A by this side correspond to P, okay, and this side correspond to this side, and this side correspond to this side, and they are proportional. So these two conditions must be satisfied to be similar triangles. Okay, so here you see corresponding angles must have the same measures. So here angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Okay, so their corresponding angles are equal. Now you see corresponding sides must be proportional. So here AB by DE, BC by EF, AC by DF. If these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Okay, next, C. Criteria for similarity of triangles. There are three main criteria for similarity of triangles. First one, AAA or AA only. Okay, so AAA means angle, angle, angle. If corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then we can say two triangles are similar. Second, SSS, side 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 similarity criterion. So SSS means their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, if three corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, now come to 3. SAS means ratio of two pairs of corresponding sides are equal and their included angles are equal. Okay, C. SSS similarity. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then two triangles are similar. Here you see two triangles ABC and DEF. Okay, if the corresponding sides, this AB correspond to DE and BC correspond to EF and AC correspond to DF. If their corresponding sides are proportional, then we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Okay. Next, AAA similarity criterion. If two triangles are equiangular, means if their corresponding angles are equal, then two triangles are similar. Here you can say AA similarity criterion also. Why? As you know, in between two triangles, if this angle correspond to this angle and they are equal, and this angle correspond to this angle, they are also equal, then obviously the third angle also equal. Why? You know angle sum properties. There you know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, then obviously you get this angle is equal to this angle also. So you also can say AAA similarity is AA similarity criterion. Okay friends, here you see AA similarity criterion. This angle is correspond to this and they are equal. This angle is correspond to this angle and they are equal. So you can say AA similarity criterion satisfied and they are similar. Okay, or you may write this angle is equal to this angle, then you can say AAA similarity criterions satisfied. So two triangles are similar. Okay friends, see here SAS similarity, side angle side. If the measures of two sides of a triangle, this triangle, okay, are proportional to the measures of two corresponding sides of another triangle, this triangle, okay, and the angle between them are congruent, angle between them are equal, okay, then the triangles are similar. Here you see this side correspond to side DE, AC sides correspond to DF, and you find their ratios. Here you find AB by DE. Okay, so AB is 5 by 10, then you get 1 by 2. So 1:2. Here SCY DF that is equal to 11 by what? 22. That is also equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so the ratios of corresponding sides are equal and included angles, the angle between two sides, okay, are also equal if the two corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional and the included angles are equal, then we can say it satisfies SAS similarity criterion and the two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, we can say. Okay, next, see difference between congruency and similarity. In congruency, we have same shape, same size of two given figures. Here you see this is also equilateral triangle, this also equilateral triangle, and both are exactly same in shape and size, so they are congruent. Here you see the shape is same, shape of two triangles are same. This is equilateral triangle, this also equilateral triangles, so their shape is same but size is different. This is smaller one, this is bigger, so size is different. So we can say triangle ABC is similar to PQR, but they are not congruent, they are similar. Okay, but here in this case you can say they are similar as well as they are congruent, but here only similar. So here you remember this, all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. Okay, need not be congruent. So two congruent figures are similar, but two similar figures are not be congruent. May be congruent, may not be congruent. Two similar figures may be congruent, may not be congruent, but all congruent figures are similar. Understood? Now we see, we check whether two triangles are similar or not. Here triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here you see, you know three criteria. One is A or AA. And second is S and SAS. Three criteria are there, and using any one of them we can check whether two triangles are similar or not. So here three angles are given. So we can use a similarity criterion to check whether two triangles are similar or not. Here you see angle A correspond to angle P and they are equal. Angle V correspond to angle Q, they are equal. Angle C correspond to angle R, they are equal. So you can say B angle is equal to Q angle, that is 80 degree, okay, and C angle is equal to R angle is equal to 40 degree, and the corresponding angles are equal, so they satisfy a similarity criterion. So triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, okay, a similarity criterion, okay. Next, here you see three sides are given, so you can apply S, okay. If they satisfy S similarity criteria, then you can say they are similar. So here you see AB congruent to QR, that is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, 1:2. BC corresponds to PR, so ratio is 2.5 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 2, so ratio is 1:2. Now AC corresponds to PQ, so 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2, so ratio is 1:2, and here you get that ratios of corresponding sides are equal, so their corresponding sides are proportional, and if their corresponding sides are proportional, then we can say they satisfy is similarity criterion. So triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP, okay. Next, here you see two sides are given and included angles are given, so you can using this similarity criterion you can check whether two triangles are similar or not. Here you see included angle 70, here also 70, so M angle is equal to Q angle, equal, okay. Now you find the ratio of corresponding side, so here MN correspond to this side PQ, so here you get 2.5 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 2, so ratio is 1:2. Now ML, this side correspond to this side, so here ML by QR, that is equal to 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. So ratio is 1:2. So this ratio and this ratio are equal. That means two sides of the two triangles two corresponding sides are proportional and included angles are equal. So they satisfy SAS similarity criterion. So you can say triangle MNL similar to triangle QPR is similarity criterion. Okay. Next, here you see two triangles are given, one angle and two sides are given. So we here apply SAS similarity criterion, okay, to check they are similar or not. Here you see angle, this angle is equal to this angle, okay, and this side correspond to side DF. So AB by DF is equal to 2.5 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 2. Ratio is 1:2. And this side is correspond to this side. Here this side is given, but this side is not given. Okay. So you cannot check. So they do not satisfy SAS criteria. Okay. So triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. Okay. So friend, for today this much. Thank you, my very dear young friends.